Of a circle that has a center of 7, negative 12, and passes through the point negative 3, 5. So remember that you need two things in order to write the equation of a circle. You need the center and the radius. So check, check. We've got the center. That's great. Now we have to find the radius. So the last problem that we just did, we had a graph where the circle was shifted, and we had a point on the circle, and we had that center. And we were able to use the Pythagorean theorem from the graph or the distance formula with the two ordered pairs. So since we don't have a graph here, I don't want to graph this, I'm just going to pop this into the distance formula real quick to figure out what my radius is. So I'm going to go ahead and use these two ordered pairs that are given to me, and I'm going to find my distance. So remember what your distance formula is: x minus x squared plus y minus y squared. And that's the square root. This is going to be what your radius equals. And remember, for our equation, we really need r squared. So we're going to go ahead and figure out what this radius is using my x's. So 7 minus negative 3 squared plus negative 12 minus 5 squared. So go ahead and do that math. 7 minus negative 3 is going to be a positive 10 squared plus negative 12 minus 5 is a negative 17 squared. Do some more math. 10 squared is 100. Negative 17 squared is 289. Now keep in mind here, whenever you square something, it's always going to be positive. So no matter what your calculator says, you're smarter than your calculator. So inside your parentheses, inside your radical, you're always going to be adding together two positive numbers. Don't forget that. So this ends up being the square root of 389. Now remember what we just found. We just found the radius. What we really want is r squared. We want r squared. Woo. So if r equals the square root of 389, then that means r squared equals regular 389. So now we've got our r, we've got our center. We can go ahead and put it into our circle formula. So remember, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So x minus h, my h is right here. These are my h and my k from my center. So x minus 7 squared plus y minus my k of negative 12 squared equals r squared. Guys, r squared is 389, so just go ahead and pop that in your formula right now. Clean it up, make it look all beautiful. X minus 7 squared plus y plus 12 squared equals 389. Great job.